Texture fill rate of 43.2 billion/s. DirectX 10, shader model 4.0, OpenGL 3.3, and PCI Express 2.0. Supports second generation pure video HD technology with partial VC1 decoding. Outputs include 2 DVI ports, an HDMI output, using Nvidia DVI to HDMI adapter, included, and S/PDIF connector on board for routing audio through the HDMI cable. Release date, 2008-04-01, 22. Launch price of $349.23. In July 2008, Nvidia released a refresh of the 9800 GTX. The 9800 GTX Plus 55nm manufacturing process. It has faster core, 738 MHz, and shader, 1836 MHz, clocks. Since March 2009, this design is manufactured as GeForce GTS 250. GeForce 9800 GT. The 9800 GT is identical to an 8800 GT, although some were manufactured using a 55nm technology instead of the 65nm technology debuted on the 8800 GT. 24. The newer 55nm version supports hybrid power while the 65nm version does not. Asustek have released a 9800 GT with TRI-SLI support. 25. Taken from the Nvidia product detail page. 26. 112 CUDA cores. 512/1024 MB of GDDR3 memory. 256-bit memory interface width. 600 MHz graphics clock. 1500 MHz processor clock. 900 MHz memory clock. 33.6 pixel/s texture fill rate. 57.6 GB/s memory bandwidth. Supports DirectX 10, shader model 4.0, OpenGL 3.3, and PCI Express 2.0. Supports second generation pure video HD technology with partial VC1 decoding. Technical summary of desktop G9X GPUs. 1 Unified shaders, texture mapping units, render output units. Model year codename Fab, NM, transistors, million, die size, mm2. Biz interface config core 1 clock rate filler core, megahertz, shader, megahertz, memory, megahertz, pixel, GP/S, GeForce 9300 Pu October 2008 MCP7AS6528216 PCIe 2.0x1016844501200800133331.8 GeForce 9400 Pu October 2008 MCP7AU6528216 PCIe 2.0x1016845801400800133332.32 GeForce 9300 GE 27 June 2008 G9865 86 PCIe 2.0x1688454013005002.16 GeForce 9300 GS 27 June 2008 G9865 86 PCIe 2.0x1688456714005002.268 GeForce 9400 GT August 27, 2008 G96a/B65/5531444 PCIe 2.0x16 PCI 16 8:4501400800160002.2 GeForce 9500 GT July 29, 2008 G96 A/B65/553141444 PCIe 2.0x16. PCI 32:16:85501400100160004.4 GeForce 9600 GSO May 2008 G9265754324 PCIe 2.0x1696:48:125501375160006.6 GeForce 9600 GSO 512 October 2008 G94A/B65//55505240/196. PCIe 2.0x1624:166501625180010.4 GeForce 9600 Green Edition 2009 G94B55505196. PCIe 2.0x1600/1800160251500162514000180018009.610 GeForce 9600 GT February 21, 2008 G94A/B65//55505240/196. PCIe 2.0x1664:166501625180010.4 GeForce 9800 Green Edition 2009 G92B55754260 PCIe 2.0x16112. 56:16550137516001600180008.8 GeForce 9800 GT July 2008 G92 A/B/65//265/4/6575324/260/324 PCIe 2.0x16112:56:160:5501500/137518009.6 GeForce 9800 GTX April 1, 2008 G9265754324 PCIe 2.0x16128:1664:167516882200010.8 GeForce 9800 GTX and July 16, 2008 G92B55754260 PCIe 2.0x16128:16481836220011.808 GeForce 9800 GX2 March 18, 20082 G926527,542 PCIe 2.0x16218:64:160001500200029.6 Model year codename Fab, NM, transistors, million, die size, millimeter 2. Biz interface config core 1 core, megahertz, shader, megahertz, memory, megahertz, pixel, GP/S. Features. Compute capability, 1.1 has support for atomic functions, which are used to write thread-safe programs. Model features scalable link interface, SLI. Pure Video 2 with VP2 BSP engine, and AES128 engine. Pure Video 3 with VP3 BSP engine, and AES128 engine. GeForce 9300 GE, G98, yes no yes. GeForce 9300 GS, G98. GeForce 9400 Dysnog Force 9500 GeForce 9600 XOGForce 9600 GeForce 9800 GeForce 9800 GTX yes 3 Wake Force 9800 GTX plus GeForce 9800 GX2 yes. GeForce 9M series. All graphical processing units in the GeForce 9M series feature increased performance for similar power draw compared to GeForce 8M series for mid-range and mid-high range notebooks. DirectX 10.0 and OpenGL 3.3 compatibility. 16x anti-aliasing and PCI Express 2.0 connectivity. Full HD DVD / Blu-ray hardware decoding. 9100 mg. 1 TMU per pipeline. 4 OPs. 8 stream processors. 16, version 4.0, shader unified. 26 GB FLOPS. 450 MHz core clock. 1100 MHz shader clock. Integrated RAM DAC clock at 400 MHz. Memory clock depends on system memory. Up to 256 MB shared memory, 512 MB with turbo cache in Windows XP. 64-bit memory interface, single channel mode, /128-bit memory interface. Dual channel mode. Memory bandwidth depend on system memory. 1.8 pixels /s texture fill rate. Specification based on Acer Aspire 4530 using Everest Ultimate Edition version 4.60.1500px and Tech Power Up GPU Z version 0.4.6, 28. 9200 MGS. 8 stream processors. 529 MHz core clock. 1300 MHz shader clock. 400 MHz memory clock. Up to 256 MB memory. 64-bit memory interface. 6.4 GB /s memory bandwidth. 27.1 pixel /s pixel fill rate. 4.2 pixel /s texture fill rate, 29. 9300 mg. 16 stream processors. 400 MHz core clock. 800 MHz shader clock. 600 MHz memory clock. Up to 512 MB memory. 64-bit memory interface. 1.8 GB /s memory bandwidth. 3.2 pixels /s texture fill rate. 9300 MGS. 8 stream processors. 580 MHz core clock. 1450 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. Up to 512 MB memory. 64-bit memory interface. 6.9 GB /s memory bandwidth. 4.6 pixels /s texture fill rate. 9400 mg. 16 stream processors. Memory clock depends on system memory. 64-bit memory interface, single channel mode, /128-bit memory interface, dual channel mode. Memory bandwidth depends on system memory. 3.6 pixels/s texture fill rate. 9500 mg. 16 stream processors. 500 MHz core clock. 1250 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. Up to 1024 MB memory. 1 to 8-bit memory interface. 25.6 GB/s memory bandwidth. 4.0 pixels/s texture fill rate. 9500 mgs. 32 stream processors. 475 MHz core clock. 950 MHz shader clock. 700 MHz memory clock. Up to 512 MB memory. 1 to 8-bit memory interface. 22.4 GB/s memory bandwidth. 7.6 pixels/s texture fill rate. 9600 mgs. 064/8 core, G96. 32 stream processors. 430 MHz core clock. 1075 MHz shader clock. 800/1600 MHz memory clock, effective. Up to 1024 MB memory. 1 to 8-bit memory interface. 12.8 GB/s, with DDR2 type, or 25.6 GB/s, with GDDR3 type, memory bandwidth. 6.8 pixels/s texture fill rate. 103 GFLOPS. 9600 mgt. 32 stream processors. 500 MHz core clock. 1250 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. Up to 1024 MB memory. 1 to 8-bit memory interface. 25.6 GB/s memory bandwidth. 8.0 pixels/s texture fill rate. 9650 mgt. G96 core, 65/55 nm. 32 stream processors. 550 MHz core clock. 1325 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. Up to 1024 MB memory. 128-bit memory interface. 25.6 GB/s memory bandwidth. 8.8 pixels/s texture fill rate. 9700 mgt. G96 core. 32 stream processors. 625 MHz core clock. 1550 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. 128-bit memory interface. 25.6 GB/s memory bandwidth. 10.0 pixels/s texture fill rate. 148.8 GFLOPS. 9700 mgts. G94 core. 48 stream processors. 530 MHz core clock. 1325 MHz shader clock. 800 MHz memory clock. 256-bit memory interface. 51.2 GB/s memory bandwidth. 12.7 pixels/s texture fill rate. 190.8 GFLOPS. 9800 MGS. G94 core. 64 stream processors.